LAUNCH X431 PRO3 V plus 5.0. The ultimate scan tool that leaves others in the dust. Say hello to the LAUNCH X431 PRO3 V plus 5.0, your new ride or die when it comes to automotive diagnostics. This bad boy doesn't just scan, it deciphers, commands, and unlocks your vehicle's full potential like a pro. Packed with OEM topology mapping, bidirectional control, ECU coding, and support for heavy-duty trucks, it wipes the floor with outdated scan tools. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic, a car enthusiast, or someone who's just tired of throwing money at mechanics, this is your all-in-one fix-it machine. 2 years of free updates? That's just the icing on the cake. Why settle for guesswork when you can have precision? With OEM Topology Mapping, this scanner lays out your car's entire system in an easy-to-read, color-coded format. No more digging through cryptic error codes, this tool pinpoints issues in seconds, so you can diagnose like a pro. It's smarter, faster, and leagues ahead of competitors that still make you check each module manually. And let's talk about bidirectional control. Send commands to your car's systems and watch it respond instantly. No more is it the sensor or the wiring nonsense, just straight-up answers. It's not just a scanner, it's a full-blown car customization powerhouse. With ECU coding, you can enable hidden features, disable annoying alerts, and tweak your vehicle to match your style. Want your side mirrors to fold automatically? Done. Hate that seatbelt chime? Gone. Need advanced coding for BMW, VW, Audi, and more? This scanner has your back. And with the new CAN-FD connector, it's fully equipped to handle the latest GM models that other tools simply can't touch. It's like giving your car a software upgrade without the dealership's outrageous fees. Time is money, and this scanner saves you both. With 55+ maintenance functions, it can reset your oil, recalibrate your TPMS, program keys, and even tackle transmission issues. It diagnoses 200,000+ vehicle models across 200+ brands, including trucks, buses, and hybrids, making it one of the most versatile scan tools on the market. And with AutoAuth for FCASGW, it can scan newer Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Fiat vehicles without the usual headaches. The upgraded DBSCAR7 connector means faster data transfers and smoother performance. Built to last, tested by pros, and worth every penny. The 10.1-inch HD touchscreen, Android 10.0 system, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and 6,300 mAh battery make this a powerhouse of durability. It's rugged, reliable, and future-proof, with software updates that keep it ahead of the game. If you're serious about saving time, cutting repair costs, and owning a scanner that does it all, the LAUNCH X431 PRO3 V plus 5.0 is your golden ticket. Why pay a shop hundreds when you can diagnose and fix it yourself?